Greetings from On the Move with Dave B's Kitchen. This is our third and final video of our Adirondack Adventure series. Our 3-week Adirondack adventure began in Wilmington, New York, where we visited Whiteface Mountain and the surrounding area. We then went further north to Malone and finally west to Messina, New York, where we ended up at Coles Creek State Park in the Thousand Island region of New York. We were lucky enough to get a beautiful water site on short notice that overlooked the St. Lawrence Seaway. We had a great view of Canada, as well as all the marine traffic coming and going up along the seaway. Come along with us as we explore this area of Messina, New York, and make memories with our family. Play the intro. While staying at Coles Creek State Park, we discussed the possibility of camping at Robert Moses State Park, which is in the same vicinity. Our concern is there is a tunnel leading into Robert Moses with a posted height of 13.6. Our RV is 13.5. So we took our handy DOT measuring stick to see for ourselves what the height actually was. It did measure over 14 feet. We're still not sure if we're going to try it. Bella says she can be happy at any park as long as there's water and waves. Here she comes again. Waves and water. Bella's favorite thing at the campground. Adirondack State Park is located on the St. Lawrence River. It is on the west bank of Coles Creek in St. Lawrence County. Coles Creek has wooded and open campsites near a swimming beach, which is on Lake St. Lawrence. The lake is ideal for boating and fishing, and there is a marina on the mouth of Coles Creek that lies just north of the park entrance. The park also has a playground, playing fields, and a large pavilion. The park facilities include a swimming beach, a marina, boat launch sites, boat rentals, campsites, dumping stations, picnic tables, and a playground. The road throughout the park is paved, and we enjoyed riding our bicycles many different times as we could ride along the water and enjoy the scenery. Our camping spot was in the open area, along the water. All of the spaces seemed to be ample and well spaced. We did have 30 amp electric service available on our site. There are water stations in main locations throughout the park. They do have a very nice dumping station as well. We also enjoyed visiting Wayland Park in the town of Louisville, which was just a short ride east from Coles Creek State Park. It had a very nice paved bicycle path, an out and back style path that ended at the St. Lawrence State Park golf course. If you're wondering if there's a lot of things to do in this area, be assured there is. There are numerous nearby outdoor attractions which include Jacques Cartier State Park, Higley Flow State Park, Cring Point State Park. We really enjoyed our afternoon riding our bikes at Wayland Park. The park is a really nice little area that has a small pavilion and a playground. There were tennis courts, a kayak boat launch, and restrooms. As we neared the end of our ride at Wayland Park, we were greeted by a large gathering of geese. They really weren't happy with us for disturbing their afternoon, but they did finally allow us to pass. After a hot afternoon of riding our bikes, we decided a treat was in order. We headed to Stewart's Shops for gas, and much to our surprise, they also sell homemade ice cream made with their own milk. What a delicious way to end our afternoon. The sunsets at Coles Creek State Park do not disappoint. Every evening we enjoyed a spectacular sunset, each one different and unique. If you enjoy sunsets, definitely check out Coles Creek State Park. It really is a beautiful place. We hope you have enjoyed coming along with us on our adventure. If you've enjoyed this content, please consider hitting the thumbs up and giving us a like. Also, please subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. Thanks for watching.